In this lesson, we will understand how we can perform translation using Hugging Face, that is text to text generation. Let us see. For translation task, we will use the Hugging Face transformers library. Some models are already provided for this. So translation, as we all know, includes, let's say, translating English text to Spanish. This is a part of text to text models that requires a task prefix to specify the type of task. For example, translation, summarization, and others. Text to text generation includes not only translation but also summarization, paraphrasing, question answering, and even sentiment classification. So let us see the difference between text to text and text generation. So text generation is used for autoregressive text generation, where the model generates text sequentially one token at a time, like dialog systems, text completions, and others. The text to text generation class is used for sequence to sequence task, where the model will take an input sequence and generate an output sequence, like your text summarization, paraphrasing, and even translation. Now let us see an example to perform translation using the Hugging Face transformers library. In this we will use a model T5_small, which is publicly available on Hugging Face. This model is a smaller version of the T5 model and can be used for tasks like summarization, translation, and even question answering. Let us see the example on Google Colab. Here is a Google Colab. We just saw the text summarization example. Now let us open. Now let us open the translation example. Here it is. First we will install the required libraries. That is the following here. We have used the pip space install command. We already saw this command before. After that, we will load a pre-trained translation model. That is, here we have loaded the T5 model. It is a versatile text-to-text model that can handle translation by prefixing the input with a task-specific prompt. So we are loading a T5 model here. Here we have prepared the input text. So this is the text we will translate English to Spanish. That is, the following text will get translated. Tokenize the input text into input IDs that the model can process. Use the model to generate the translated text. You can customize the generation process with parameters like max length, num_beams we saw in the previous lesson also. Here the output tokens will be decoded to text, and after that we will print the translated text. So here is the output. Translated text: my name is Amit Diwan and I love cricket. So here it is translated to Spanish. So in this way guys, we can perform translation